If you want to give wax carving a go for jewelry making, you probably have a lot of tools around your house that you can already use. Starting off with a serrated knife, you can dig into the wax and then also break bits just using your hands. Whilst ideally you'd use a saw with a wax saw blade, this does work for smaller bits of wax. You're even able to kind of chip away at the sides. Next up is a scalpel, which you can use to literally cut little bits of wax off or just run across that surface to make the wax really smooth and just shape it. Be really, really careful with the scalpel because obviously it's sharp and pointy. A little known tool but you probably have lying about is a metal file or one of those cuticle things for your nails. So if you have a manicure set, you can use this to literally scrape away the wax and then use it to make points, make holes, and even file the edges. One of the great things about wax is that you can melt it, you can mold it, and you can shape it. A little tea light and then any kind of metal tool, as long as it's got like a wooden handle, you can heat up and then use to melt the wax. This means that you can add texture or add on additional bits of wax to make it really smooth and shiny. What other tools do you think would be great to use?